Today I'm sharing with you all my top 5 conditioners under rupees 500 and this will help each and every hair type, whether you have thin hair, medium, thick, wavy, curly, dry, very dry, not so dry. There is going to be an option for each and every one of you. Hello everyone, this is Khushbu Singhvi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Actually, honestly, I also wanted to do a video with my top 5 conditioners and deep conditioners because since the time I did this video last, so many new additions have been there, new favorites have been there. But then I also wanted to do a video for the budget friendly category. So I thought let me start with this, maybe that will come up next. Just one thing I want you all to know, I have chosen these top 5 on the basis of course, the quality they offer, the way they work, the slip they have, but also on the basis of the quantity offered in a certain price. You know, sometimes you do get cheap conditioners, but then the quantity is so little that I feel it's not worth the money. So combining everything, whichever I thought were the best is what I've chosen here. Also guys, I just wanted to quickly mention that all the conditioners that I'm sharing in this video are CG friendly. There are plenty of options available in the market which have silicons and which will fall under rupees 500. So if silicons work for you, absolutely fine, you can use those. I personally still do not use the silicone conditioners on a daily basis because they do tend to weigh down my hair and my curls do not form the way they do, you know, when I use the silicone free conditioners. But I know it's different for everyone and that is absolutely fine. You do you. I do try some silicone conditioners to, you know, give my review because a lot of you ask for it. But if you are somebody who do not like to use products with silicones and waxes or alcohols, then definitely all of the options here are CG friendly. So yeah, let's get started now. So the first conditioner we are talking about is this one from Cocosol, and I think I've spoken about this plenty of time on my page. This is a 200 ml packaging. Now I am not sharing the MRP of the products because all these that I'm sharing today with you all are almost never available on MRP on Amazon. They always have some or the other discount, you know, so depending on the sale going on, you'll get a good enough price for this. Now this is meant for thick hair or dry hair, like I can say medium to thick. If your hair is really dry, thirsty, you are going to love this conditioner a lot. This is super moisturizing, the slip is amazing, it's a thick creamy conditioner and it's just so good, you guys. If you have dry hair, trust me, you're going to really love this conditioner. I will not recommend this for fine hair or very fine hair people, but medium to thick hair can definitely try this. You do not need a lot of quantity of this, so it's going to last you a good enough time. So the conditioning, slip, texture, the way it works, everything is on point. Absolutely a fantastic product. The fragrance of this one is also like pretty pleasant. It again does not bother me. It's not too strong or overpowering, and that is what I remember. So yeah. Now, I have personally tried 2 variants of this, the hair fall control one and the dandruff control one, but I want to say this one more time. Please do not think it will control your hair fall or your dandruff. These are not meant to be applied on your scalp. These are meant for your hair length. So completely ignore what is the type written on it. Just use the conditioner and enjoy. I've heard almost all Cocosol conditioners are amazing. So whichever you're getting on a better deal, you can try. But this hair fall control one, I've tried twice because I personally really like this one. Okay. Now, there is one very important thing that I need you to know about this, that Cocosol does not list the entire ingredient list on their product because they come under this Ayurvedic proprietorship something, and in India there is a rule, if you're under the Ayurvedic thing like Himalaya, these companies, they don't have to list their complete ingredient list. So which is definitely a problem, but the fact that the conditioner is so damn good, I had to recommend it in the budget category. Once long ago, I had done a collaboration with Cocosol and that time I had discussed them about this ingredient list and they did assure me that there are no silicons. Or if this is a concern for any one of you, this is a CG friendly product. But yes, if you know not having the full ingredient list is a very major concern for you, then you can definitely skip on it. So now let's move on to the next one. The next I'm talking was once upon a time a cult favorite, and also I think one of the very few options we had when we started our curly hair journey 5 to 6 years back. But I have to say that still it is a fabulous conditioner, and I'm talking about the Requil conditioner. Now this is the Requil Muru Muru Butter one. And this is such a beautiful conditioner, you guys. I don't know how many tubes of this I've finished in the past. Of course, in the recent times, I haven't used it enough. This is a new packaging. You can see it's seal packed. This came in a PR package, so I'm still yet to open it. So this you can usually find for around 290 rupees. But just remember, this is only a 150 ml packaging. But I'm still recommending it because I feel it is still worth the price since it is so amazing. Again, it has a fabulous slip, fabulous texture. It's a thick, creamy conditioner. It's so nourishing and moisturizing, works absolutely amazing. This is again something I'll recommend for medium to thick hair. If you have medium hair, you'll have to reduce the quantity a little. Thick hair people can use a decent amount of quantity, and it's just a beautiful conditioner, and the way it works is absolutely fantastic. The fragrance of the Requel one is like not too strong. It does not bother me. It's kind of a mild to medium fragrance. Like it doesn't bother me at all. So yeah, I had to recommend this. I think out of all that I'm sharing today, this might be the least budget friendly, considering it's 150 ml for 290 rupees, something around that. The actual MRP is more, but again, this is also not available on MRP at any time. So you'll always find it on a discount. But if you're looking for something that works amazing for your thick, dry curls, you can definitely try this out. The next we are talking about is this conditioner from Saint Botanica. This is their Pro Keratin and Argan Oil Conditioner. This now comes in a bottle. The packaging has changed. This is such a beautiful conditioner. Again, this is also a 200 ml product, and you can get it around 250 to 60 on Amazon. I will link all of these products down so you can see, and sometimes on sale you can get better price on few of these. But again, I think this is a fabulous conditioner for the price. Now, if you have very fine hair, this might not work for you, but all other hair types can use this, from fine to thick hair. Of course, the fine hair people will have to use little quantity. You can water it down. For medium to thick, it will work amazing as is. This is such a beautiful conditioner. Amazing slip, very conditioning, nourishing, easily detangle your hair. All of the conditioners that I'm recommending today have a nice slip, and your detangling will be easy with it. So yes, do not worry about it. The fragrance of this one is kind of pleasant. It does not bother me. It's not too strong to, get me irritated. It's like a medium fragrance, not too strong, not too mild also. But yeah, it's something that is very pleasant for me and does not bother me. If I compare this with the other two that I've shared, the Coco Soul and the Requel one, this is less heavier than those, but still moisturizing enough. And it's just a beautiful formulation. I don't know why is this not spoken about enough, but I think it's a great conditioner at this price point. Next conditioner I'm talking about is this one, the Love Beauty and Planet conditioner. This is their Anise Water and Angelica Seed Oil conditioner. Now I know this is not rupees 500. This retails for rupees 700, but it's almost every time on discount, and you can get it around 500, 530, 540. I know it's going a little over budget, but let me explain it to you. Why have I mentioned about this one? Because this is a 400 ml bottle. All the other conditioners we spoke about are either 200 ml or 150, whatever, but this one is a 400 ml bottle. So the effective price of this, if you think about this as a 200 ml, it will come to around 270, 280. So I thought it was really worth mentioning, because once you buy this, this is going to last you such a long time. You guys, you can see I finished this because I really like this conditioner. All the conditioner that I'm sharing with you all, I have at least minimum finished one bottle or tube of that before sharing it, of course, and most of them I finished more. So this is such a beautiful formulation. Again, the slip is amazing. It's moisturizing, it's nourishing. This again can work for most hair types. So definitely a beautiful formulation. I absolutely love this. Smells so good, guys. The smell of this is like really pleasant and nice, and personally I really like it. The ease of use, the formulation, the texture, everything is amazing. I really like this conditioner, and I love the fact that it comes in a big bottle. You don't have to repurchase again and again. Once you buy it, it's going to last you like a super long time. Because if you have very dry hair and you still wish to use it, you absolutely can. Just use a good leave-in or a cream after this and you'll be absolutely fine. If you have medium hair, I think you will love the way it is as it is. I think most fine hair people should also like this. All should actually like this conditioner. Alright, this gets us to the last conditioner that I'm talking about, and that is this one from Sugar Boo. I do not have the packaging to show you. I think it's already gone for my last, the recycling lot. So I don't have that right now. Now, this conditioner I'm specially mentioning because of the most fabulous slip it has. I don't think I will personally repurchase this conditioner or reuse it, because the moisture level of this is not enough for my hair type. Fine hair, you are absolutely going to love this. I think even medium, fine, very fine to medium hair, everyone will really like this conditioner. The slip is fabulous. The conditioning, not as moisturizing as I would want to be, because my hair is really dry, but if that's not your case, you are absolutely going to love this conditioner. One thing, this has a little strong minty fragrance, so if this is something that you do not like, then you have to figure it out whether you want to try it or not. But apart from that, I think it's absolutely amazing. I think this also comes in a smaller packaging if you want to start with a trial size first. Yes, if you're looking for a fantastic slip, you have very fine or medium hair, and extreme moisture is not your requirement, and you're okay with the minty fragrance, you will definitely love this conditioner. Now, before I end the video, I just want to make a mention to two more conditioners. These are the two I'm talking about. This one is the Dot & Key Argan Oil Mask, and this one is the True Frock Conditioner. Both of these also fall under the category of 500. I would not say that they are in my top 5 list because of the pricing and the quantity and the way they work, but they are definitely a close, to these 5. I'm especially mentioning these because I really like both of these as well, and both of these will work for most hair types because these are not heavy conditioners, yet they have a good slip. They work really nice and they're just beautiful. Both of these are beautiful conditioners. This, in fact, I have finished. I can show ya, see this over, because I really like this one. This is also a new packaging. I have finished at least 2 bottles of this in the past. Again, this is, I've still not opened. This also came in a PR. Yeah, so both of these conditioners are also really very, very nice, guys. So if you wish to, give these a try, you can definitely try it out. So yeah, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful and you guys found something for yourself.